Okay, hi everyone. So today let's discuss one interesting problem. So it says a vertical metal cylinder of a radius 2 centimeter and a length 2 meter is fixed at the lower end and a load of 100 kilogram is put on it. Find the stress, the strain and the compression of the cylinder. Young modulus of the metal is also given. Fine. So we have a metal cylinder, something like this. Let's say radius is given small r is given 2 centimeter. Length of this metal cylinder is given, let's say small l, that is 2 meter. एंड बॉटम पे इसे फिक्स किया है एंड टॉप में हमारे पास एक लोड है, लेट्स से मास है स्मॉल एम. सो स्मॉल एम इज गिवन 100 किलोग्राम and Young's modulus is also given, that is 2 into 10 raised to the power 11 Newton per meter square. So what will be the value of stress? That will be load, that is mg, divided by cross sectional area of this cylinder, that is simply pi r square. So you can put these values. Mass is 100, g you can take it to be 10 divided by pi into r square. A radius is given in centimeter, you can convert it to SI unit, that is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. So r square will be 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So this will be in Newton per meter square. So you can calculate this value. This will be around 7.96 into 10 raised to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Then what will be the value of a strain? See, Young's modulus is simply stress by a strain. So strain will be stress divided by Young's modulus. So stress is 7.96 into 10 raised to the power 5 divided by Young's modulus is 2 into 10 raised to the power 11. So you can easily calculate this value. This will be 3.98 something into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So this will be the value of a strain. Then how to find out compression? Compression कैसे find out करेंगे? This strain is a change in length divided by original length, that is 3.98 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So delta L, that is change in length, will be equal to this strain into original length, which is 2. So this value will be some 7.96 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. So this is the value of compression in the metal cylinder. So I think you already know these things, just basic hai. So let me know if you still have any confusion, we can discuss further. Okay guys, keep working hard, best of luck, bye.